What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Crypto Miner Tycoon. So, you might be playing Crypto Miner Tycoon here and you're wondering how do you exactly withdraw money. So let's go and discuss a few things here. So, in this case, I'm currently in Crypto Miner Tycoon here. As you can see, I'm mining some crypto here using different resources. So if you click on the for a six-sided icon here that has a plus side sign on it, as you can see, you have exchange. Now the thing with this one is it's not actually currency that you're using here, but the thing with this one is you could actually use actual money to improve a few things. Like for example, you can timer up for 1 day, 7 day here. You can use like boosters, even use gold here, which enables you to basically use actual money on your account. But the thing with this one is it doesn't necessarily allow you to cash out or withdraw money from the game itself. So like what I said, it's a game. So if you visit the official webpage or the official Play Store page here for Crypto Miner Tycoon, it actually falls under simulation. Now, in this case, it's also under single player, which in this case, again, it's a game. So if you want to learn about how things work with crypto or just basically enjoy about the topic, learn more about crypto, well, Crypto Miner Tycoon here is something really great. But otherwise, if you're looking to withdraw money here, well, it's not using actual money, but you can use actual money here to boost a few things on your account, but you can't withdraw anything here. But in this case, that's about it. So we don't want to spread misinformation out there, but from then on, you should be good. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel.